Hey, what's up everybody, I'm here. So this is the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. It's a tablet that lots of guys have long been asking for, like, can you do an unboxing review? Okay, here you go. All right, open the box. We have the pad. Okay, I'll show you a couple minutes later. And then we have the charger, where the charger is 88 watts, as you can see, and also a Type A to Type C cable, and also a manual. And what else? We don't have others in the package. All right, that's it. All right, so my first impression is, holy cow, this is huge. I have a larger head, but looks like only half the size of the tablet. All right, despite its gigantic size, it's incredibly thin and lightweight. In the keynote speech, they claim this is the thinnest and the lightest tablet on the planet so far, with just 5.5mm thickness and a weight of 580 grams. Maybe they're right. Now let's take a look at the design. There is a 60-megapixel front-facing camera housed inside the notch on the horizontal side. The back features a brocade fiber design, the same as its Mate 60 Pro phone. There's a circular camera island with a 30-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Alright, now let's take a quick look at the camera photo. It supports like 10 times like zoom, up to 10 times zoom. And that's the photo video. They support up to 4K 30 fps, alright, not 60. Okay, this is the Huawei Shop. Huawei Shop, alright. Okay. Many of you guys are asking like what this car is. So this is series Ito M5, alright. So this is the car you guys have always been asking like. Okay, so it's really cool, right? Super cool. And then more, and these are some more features it supports, like slow motion, time lapse, and panorama, those. So regarding specs, as the name implies, this tablet features a sizable 13.2-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1920 by 2880 pixels and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The panel has a 3:2 aspect ratio and can reach up to 1000 nits peak brightness. It's covered by Harmony OS 4, and the tablet also comes with a 10,100 mAh battery. It's equipped with the same Kirin 9000S chipset used in the Mate 60 series. I've already done a video about the chipset. You can check it out from the link on the screen. The screen features impressively thin bezels. It's really thin. When you watch movies or anything else, it truly provides an immersive experience. The MatePad Pro 30.2 has a total of 4 microphones and 6 speakers for an optimal listening experience. Let's give it a listen and let me know if you guys like the sound. Yes, that's right. I think this is the best sound I've ever reviewed on a tablet. Another thing I have to mention is the 3rd generation Pen Pencil stylus, as well as a new Huawei Smart Magnetic keyboard, both of which are sold separately. Regarding the new pencil, it's the first device that comes with the all-new near-link wireless communication technology, both signal interference resistance and more stable connections. Especially noteworthy is that it claims to be the industry's first tablet stylus with ultra-high pressure sensitivity. It features a high pressure sensitivity sampling rate, ensuring rapid responsiveness and ability to perceive subtle variations in pen pressure. They also claim the pen has self-learning and intelligent prediction. I don't know if it really does, but it seems to write really smoothly and quickly without any perceived latency. deliver an authentic and enjoyable writing and drawing experience. You can double tap the stylus body to effortlessly switch between the brush and the eraser, allow you to erase with ease. Just like many other pencils, the Huawei Pen Pencil can be magnetically attached to the top of the device, magnetically pair, and wirelessly charged simultaneously. And finally, the MatePad Pro 13.2 comes in green, black, and white colors. What we have is this black color. Price in China starts like $711 for the 12 plus 256 gigs variant, and it goes up to $957 for the 16 gigs plus 1 terabyte model. So that's the basic information of this Pad Pro. Alright, that's the video, and it is an impressive, huge tablet, and the only complaint is, for me, I think it's a little bit too expensive, right? It's like $900, you know, for the highest variant, so that's quite expensive. But apart from that, this tablet is just so good. It has great sound quality and also so many like features for working. You can basically use this, you know, paired with the keyboard and the stylus pen. You can basically use it as for light working would be great. All right. And anyway, that's the video. And if you enjoy it, please give a subscription, like it, and share it. Thanks for watching. Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye.